Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Brian, and I'm sorry for that kinda clickbaity title, but it's not untrue, and I'm gonna explain. Weeds and Sardines, when I started it 15 months ago, was supposed to be a cooking and gardening channel where I grew food in the garden and did tutorials on how to grow veggies and then cooked that food in my kitchen, and the combination was gonna be weeds and sardines. But after 2 videos where I made gardening content, it became pretty clear that I am not the guy to communicate that information. So instead, I decided to leverage my cooking career as a chef and bread baker and make videos about food, bread baking, and pizza. And it seems like you guys like those because 100,000 of you have hit subscribe in the last 15 months, which to me is totally insane. So this is kind of like an announcement video that we're changing the name of the channel and a thank you video to everyone who has watched this content and hit subscribe. So if you're wondering, if not Weeds and Sardines, then what is the channel gonna actually be called? And after talking to Lauren and some other YouTubers and the other people in my life that I call when I have serious questions I need answered, I've decided to name the channel Brian Lagerstrom, which is my name that I was born with. And that's that. I'm really excited for the next chapter here. I think more people are gonna find the channel and understand what it's about when they see my name. So if you see the name Brian Lagerstrom under a video and the thumbnail above it is me going like, oh, look at this pizza, burger, sandwich, bread, click that thing. Watch that thing, give it a thumbs up, throw a comment down there and just say what you think about it, whether you love it or you hate it. So that's the channel name change part. The other part of this video is to thank you guys. If you have watched these videos over the last 15 months and left a comment saying how much you loved it, thanks. If you left a comment saying you hated it, also thanks. That's good for the algorithm. But in general, anybody who has been here for the last year supporting this channel, thank you so much. A huge thank you to everybody who supports this channel on Ko-fi. Those donations go directly into putting together all the R&D for these videos. And let me say something about that too. When I first started this channel, or at least the recipe part of this channel, it was really important to me to give you guys recipes that actually work. When I first started cooking like 13 or 14 years ago, before I was a chef, just like you guys, I needed recipes that are vetted, and I needed stuff that I knew was gonna work. And in the process, if I learned something or learned some new technique, that was always a bonus. So that's the goal of this channel, is for me to do the hard work of figuring out all the stuff that doesn't work and then do a pretty good job, I hope, of communicating it to you about how to get to the end zone, so that if you spend the time on this thing, whether it's baguettes or barbacoa tacos or this pizza thing, at the end of it, you're gonna have something that you like and you understood how you got there. I hope that's what you guys are getting out of this channel. Anyways, in the comments, let me know what you want from the next phase of this channel. The next 85 videos, I wanna know what you guys wanna see. As always, thank you so much for hitting subscribe. Thank you for sticking around for 85 videos. Here's 85 more videos. Yeah. You guys get it. Thank you so much. I will see you next week with an actual recipe video. See you later.